Thanks everybody. That song was called All Magic Spells from the collaboration that I did with my friend Will, who goes under the artist name WILK. Makes a lot of beautiful ambient music. It's a really cool album that didn't get a lot of shine when it came out, but it's a cool mix of ambient and folk. And yeah, the album version sounds a little bit different than this one, but hope you liked it anyway. Had to do it in this really resoundingly reverby room, if that makes sense. Even though I added a little bit of digital reverb, I still think you can hear the natural ambience of this space. Anyway, hope you liked the track. Stick around for more music, and we'll be seeing you real soon. I'm on a roll with these videos, so I think the next one will be coming up sooner rather than later. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.